Hello, IFSA folks. I'm here with Senior Master Janene Laird.
Thank you, Master Jane Langof. It's been a very big 2 days.
It's been a huge 2 days. I've loved it. Have you?
It's lovely. I don't know if it encompasses everything that we've been through in the last 2 days and how well we've been spoiled.
We have been spoiled rotten. In fact, I don't want to go home. I've got a message for the Shane and the kids.
You're not coming?
Yeah, I don't know.
You're staying here?
I don't know. I love it here.
Right from being picked up at the airport, chauffeur driven here to the 5-star Sofitel Phnom Penh, waited on hand and foot. The kindness.
We have been fed like
dinners.
You wouldn't believe.
Fed and feted. And we're like celebrities. It's so good. It's so gorgeous. They're so kind.
They're such beautiful, generous people.
Yeah.
They're such kind hearts. I love them so much.
And so smart, so intelligent, so motivated and dedicated to the study of classical Feng Shui.
They're gorgeous too, aren't they?
Oh, my God.
They're so
beautifully
beautiful.
groomed. They're from the tips of their beautiful shoes to their tailored outfits. They're the whole package.
I know, they really are. Now, Janene, I've got a question for you.
Yes, Jane?
What's in that red box?
I think it might be the same as in what's in this red box. Shall we show everyone?
Okay.
Look at this now. I've had trophies. There's trophies and then there's trophies.
What does this remind you of, Janene?
Well, I won't go there, Jane.
What?
We won't go there, Jane.
Oh,
what we will do is something the globe, the world.
Oh, I
That's
agree.
what I was thinking of. And why have we got these for, Jane?
I think we won a prize.
Well, hey, we won a prize when we accepted our invitations to be speakers here. And we won a prize when we joined IFSA, quite frankly.
We certainly did.
Go ahead.
Yeah,
Our lovely
thank you, sir.
With me gin and tonic.
We'd love to have our
Thank you
drinks
very
here.
much.
Yes.
No, these are our Speakers Awards. We also receive Speaker Certificates, but these are our Speakers Award.
Wow, aren't they gorgeous?
Which we were very pleased and privileged to accept. Absolutely fantastic. Any final comments, Jane?
Yeah, I think it's time for a toast.
Okay.
I think it's time for a toast, don't you think?
Yeah, absolutely. Before we have to go and get ready for a huge gala dinner tonight, which features Cambodia's #1 songbird, who actually hosts Cambodia's Got Talent.
Really?
And
fantastic.
A brand new, very special song has been composed for IFSA.
It
will be released and previewed tonight at the gala dinner.
And is there going to be any karaoke in IFSA Got Talent tonight? This is the question on everybody's lips, Janene.
So they've really come for the IFSA Got Talent. Yes, there will be. Yes, there will be. But it will be a slightly different twist because we're really going to be focused on different cultures and everybody representing a dance or a song from their country. And Jane,
yes,
what's IFSA Australia chapter girls singing?
Oh, something extremely elegant. It's going to be the Home Among the Gum Trees.
I'll give them a quick little preview.
Give me a home among the gum trees with lots of plum trees. A sheep or two and a kangaroo, a clothesline out the back, veranda out the front, and an old rocking chair. Did that sound good?
Yeah, that sounded good. And with that, I think we better quit on that note. So
have a drink. Everybody need a drink up before you do that performance.
To IFSC 2025 Cambodia, Jane.
Huge success.
Huge success. And here's to IFSA Australia chapter.
I'll see you back there sometime. I don't know. See ya.